Do not confuse reality with perception. Reality is so simple, not complicated at all. So simple. But your perception is what complicates everything. Life is simple. Life is neutral. There's no experience in life that is positive or negative. Every life experience brings forth its effect based on the observer. The person who is observing, the person who is labeling, naming, and perceiving in general, is the person who shapes the whole experience and even the effect they get from it. So there are so many people who are living their lives thinking that they are suffering life. They are made angry by life. They are frustrated and disappointed by life. They are depressed and stressed by life. No. Life is neutral. Reality is neutral. It's not negative or positive. You who is defining it determines by yourself individually what you get from it. So if you think someone else can cause you pain, suffering, disappointment, frustration, anger, anxiety, no. Everything that you feel within you emanates from your perceptions. It is created from within. The other person just did a neutral thing, neutral, and you perceived it. Your perception gave it meaning and shape, gave it a reality. And so the suffering you're getting is not because of what was done by the other person or outside of you. It is because of what it met within you.